모든 게 궁금해질 때 tell me oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah 뭐가 널 행복하게 하는지 text me oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah Your every picture 내 머리만 듣고 싶어 Come be my teacher 네 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘
Hello you guys, and welcome to my little vlog section for the behind the scenes, or aka BTS, of my dance video. It is currently a couple days before the shoot and I have a ton of stuff to do. I am the one styling the whole video, so I am putting together the wardrobe and doing a lot of stuff and running around with my head cut off. But it's all good because it's for BTS. Today's wardrobe is sponsored by Nasty Gal, so thank you to the babes at Nasty Gal for sponsoring this video. I am so obsessed with the styling from the music video. Nasty Gal had all the perfect things to create my vision and make my vision come to life. I am going to show you guys all the things that they sent me, and I'm also going to show you guys how I styled each and every item. I will link all the clothes in my description box, everything that I am styling, so go ahead and check that out when you guys can, so you guys get your own Boy With Luv look. Look how great this color scheme is. It's so perfect. So first off, we have the accessories, and I wanted to keep everything really cute. I'm only sticking with silvers, pearls, and rhinestones. We have these mesh tops and robes right here because that is definitely a look from their music video. And we also have some pants to match. And down here we have some shoe options. So this one is also from Nasty Gal. Skylar's going to be wearing these. I actually just bought these hot pink shoes because they were hot pink shoes in their music video. And Jeremy's going to wear these sneakers, so that's going to be super fun. Okay, I got a ton more errands to run, so I will see you guys at our rehearsal with ARMY, which I hope goes really well because I've never met any of them before. I'll see you guys then. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. Hi guys! So it's the day of the shoot. The location is actually the same location that BTS did. So BTS was actually on this rooftop and I'm so excited. We're gonna start filming in a little bit. We're gonna stretch first, block, rehearse, and then gonna get this thing going. I was really excited to do the wardrobe styling for this video shoot. It's not very often that I get the chance to style other people, so this opportunity was really fun. We're gonna start off with Grace. So Grace is wearing a pearl mesh top with a rhinestone bra underneath. For the bottoms, we put hot pink high-waisted pants. The tapered crop style of the pants looked really good on her since she's tall. And to finish off the look, we paired it with a rhinestone clip. Jeremy's in a satin oversized button-up and paired with some white cutoff shorts. The pink belt was such a great accent. I'm so glad that we went with that belt. And of course we had to add the dangle earrings because, you know, K-pop and BTS. To finish off the look, he's wearing the white slogan tongue sneakers. We had to throw in some girly touch, so Skylar's in a pink skirt with a white crop jacket. The chunky boots mix perfectly with the skirt, and with her bucket hat, she definitely looks like she could be part of a K-pop group. It is so cute. Iris is in a three-piece pajama set from from Nasty Gal, and to be honest, I was a little nervous of how it would look because, you know, it's basically pajamas, but Iris rocked it so well and it fit perfectly with the Boy With Luv aesthetic. Meredith's outfit is the perfect example of how mixed shades of pink can look really well together. She's wearing a pink skirt and top paired with a pink denim jacket, and for accessories, she's wearing a pearl clip, star choker, and a clear pouch belt to tie it all together. Jeff is also styled in a pajama set, but this time he's only wearing the top and it's paired with a white t-shirt underneath. For pants, he's wearing pink cargo pants that, even though it's a slightly darker and muted pink, it still works really well together. For accessories, he's wearing chains on his pants and a thick chain choker. Honestly, this was one of my favorite looks because it definitely has that bad boy look, but has a soft aesthetic to it. And then for my outfit, I absolutely had to wear the pink blazer, so I picked this oversized one paired with some matching shorts. My bralette and leg harness are both DIY, and I definitely had to throw in the rhinestone, so I'm wearing the Luv hair clip and an oversized rhinestone belt. I also filmed a few more Boy With Luv looks in case you guys needed some more outfit inspos. For this look, I wanted to go super girly, so I'm wearing the heart ruffle top with a white skirt. This outfit is definitely not danceable, but it was just so cute that I needed to include it in the lookbook. I accessorized the outfit with the nasty rhinestone belt and the Luv hair clip and some white boots. The second outfit is a little bit more casual and perfect for an everyday look. It's just an oversized pink tee with a heart mesh long sleeve bodysuit underneath, and to add to that girly touch, I accessorized with pearls, so I'm wearing the pearl heart earrings and pearl hair clip. The last look, I wanted to go full on hot pink because, you know, I just love looking like a crayon. Plus, I was paying respect to Jungkook's outfit from the video. I'm wearing hot pink high-waisted pants paired with a cropped blazer and a white ring halter top, and as if I needed any more pink, I paired the outfit with my hot pink filas. And now back to the photo shoot. Okay, so last night I didn't go to sleep until 3 a.m. because I was DIYing these like pink face masks. By the time the song is over, we're gonna start for the third one.
모든 게 궁금해질 때 tell me oh yeah 뭐가 널 행복하게 하는지 text me oh yeah your every picture 내 머리만 듣고 싶어 Come be my teacher 네 모든 걸 다 가르쳐줘 Okay, so it's the end of the day. It's been a really long day. Actually, after the shoot, I had to go straight to BeautyCon day 2, so I haven't had time to rest. I am dead tired. It's been a very long and tiring day, so yeah. Remember, all the outfits will be linked down in my description box, so don't forget to check those out to get your Boy With Luv look and some outfit inspos. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just want to relax and I am pooped out of my mind. So until next time, I love you guys all so very much.